Our mission is really simple: to shape a better world. And that mission is ever more important because those of us who work in the built environment understand that we face many profound challenges. It's likely that 2.5 billion more of our people on the planet will be living in cities that have yet to be built, provided, constructed. Equally, in many parts of the world, what we already have in our buildings and infrastructure, we need to cherish, repurpose, preserve in a way that we've never done as a sector before. Let me give an example of work we did in Shanghai. Shanghai, a city which suffers from inundation, flooding, hurricanes, causes immense damage to the city. The city wanted a better solution. We designed a system that used blue and used green and used grey interventions together, small-scale catchment areas, micro-plantings, permeable pavements, that provided a nature-based solution to the problems of Shanghai that we believe, and we estimate, saved 30% in carbon, 30% in cost, but also provided a more livable, breathable set of solutions for the city of Shanghai. Likewise, we're working with Amazon SageMaker Geospatial to measure and support biodiversity net gain. In this example is a piece of work we did for East-West Rail. We used satellite imagery to produce a map of habitat distinctiveness at the route optioneering stage. We then can produce those baseline maps of habitat distinctiveness at a very, very specific level. We can calculate and quantify biodiversity scores for scenarios and interventions. We can monitor biodiversity outcomes, but also provide the platform for biodiversity net gain improvement, and including financial mechanisms that need those robust and clear data to invest in nature. And what that's allowing us is to bring the power of geospatial data together with the power of machine learning to meet people's needs through lower carbon mechanisms, nature recovery, therefore really improving people and the planet.